Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to the sample of an audiobook on Audible using the mobile app. I'm on the iPhone app for iOS, but it's the exact same for Android using their mobile app as well. So once you've logged into Audible, you need to find the audiobook that you want to listen to the sample of. I'm just going to select this one right here. And then from there, what you need to press is the preview button. Select that.
This is Audible.
And at the bottom, it brings a little page that says Sample Main Street Millionaire. Click into there, and then it's going to show you the audiobook artwork. And then below, there's basically an orange bar. This will go all the way up to 5 minutes. That's how long you get the sample for. And once you're ready to actually start playing, press the play button, and then you can listen to your sample from there. And if you like what you hear, you can press the orange button in the middle of the page, get this title. That's going to bring you back to this page right here, where you can actually check out and purchase this audiobook if you wish. You can purchase with either 1 credit or buy it for $7.99 when you're using the Audible Premium Plus membership account. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.